Let's look at how to use commands to do more with our search results. Splunk's search language is built from 5 components. Search terms are the foundation of search queries. Commands tell Splunk what we want to do with the search results. This includes creating charts, computing statistics, and formatting. Functions explain how we want to chart, compute, and evaluate the results. Arguments are the variables that we want to apply to the function. And clauses explain how we want results grouped or defined. Let's look at how these are put together into a search. We will talk about the specific components in a little bit, so don't worry if you don't understand what they are doing quite yet. First, we have the search terms. Then the first search component. You can see that inside this stats command, there is a function of count, with an argument of usage. The as is the clause. These 2 search components are separated by a pipe. We use a pipe to tell Splunk to pass the current results on to the next component. Our existing query searches our web security appliance data in the network index to count the number of visits there have been to prohibited sites from our environment over the last 30 days, then stores that count in a field called visits. By appending a by clause with the CS username field, we can further split the count of these events by individual employees. The search command can be used to filter results at any time in the search pipeline. The command behaves exactly like the search terms before your first pipe, but allows you to filter your results further down the search pipeline. We can use this command with the visits field we created in the stats command to find employees that have violated our web policy more than once this month. While being able to search inside your pipeline is very powerful, remember that if you can filter the items before your first pipe, do it there for better searches. We previously discussed case sensitivity for search terms. Command names, clauses, and functions are also not case sensitive. If a command references a specific value, that value will be case sensitive. As an example, if we want to replace one of our host values using the replace command, it's required that the host value be an exact match, including case. Using time to limit the events returned is the most efficient way to filter events. The less data you have to search, the faster Splunk will be. After time, the default fields of index, source, host, and source type are the most powerful. These fields are extracted at index time, so they will not need to be extracted for each search. The more you tell the search engine, the more likely it is that you will get good results. It's better to search for failed password instead of just password. Inclusion is generally better than exclusion. Searching for access denied is better than searching for not access granted. When possible, use the or in operators instead of wildcards. Apply filtering commands as early as possible in your search. Filtering early limits the number of events, making future manipulations of the data faster.